Hello, everyone. Coming live from the band room. I'm Mrs. Reese, and I will be demonstrating the flute for you today. This is a flute. Now, unfortunately, with the way this works, it's going to look backwards from how we would normally play it. The flute is very similar when you put air into it as if you were blowing across the top of a 2-liter bottle. So if that's something you're able to do well, then the flute might be for you. When we play the flute, it is one of the only instruments where we play off to the side. Most of the instruments are played directly in front of us. However, the flute is different from all of them. It is part of the woodwind family, even though it's clearly not made of a wooden material. So when I play the flute sounds like this. Flute can play low notes, middle range notes, and high notes.